Welcome back, everyone. This time we're going to play My Time at Portia. That's right, it's Portia, not Portia. In this game, we start off with our workshop given to us by our pa, who is no longer around, and he wasn't a very good father, but at least he gave us something. And wait, hey, look, what's this guy doing? Hey guy, come back here. I want to talk to you. Liua, are you a spy for the Duvos Empire? What is this guy, a conspiracy theorist? Well, anyway, there's a lot of time that you spend gathering in this game. That's what I'm doing now, because it told me as soon as I woke up that, oh hey, wait, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Why not? Out in the rain. Oh shoot, tie. Dang, we're pretty good at tying. And tying. I got you. Oh, yeah. One more. Dang. One more. Oh dang. One more for both. Alright, well, I beat you. Now to fix my floor. I've gathered enough materials, I can fix my floor. That'll allow me to sleep finally, according to the game. Just one more big... Oh, that's 20 wood. Darn, I'm gonna have to go farm more, I guess. Let's just fix this patch up and back to farming. Farm, 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 farm. So a lot of the time you spend, at least in the beginning of the game, is farming stuff. This is just so we can sleep better, and I figure why not while I'm out and about, just gather everything, because I'm probably going to need it later on anyway. So I spend a lot of time running around, not even noticing that the bar at the bottom of my screen, the SP, is slowly decaying. Oh, time to speak to more people that are just out here in the middle of the meadow in the rain with rain hats on, except this guy with a bear cape. Oh hey, a bus! Let's get on, let's get off. Let's go farm some more. And just when I have enough, let's go home. Time to fix that annoying hole in the floor. Thanks, Dad. You didn't even leave me the wood. Alright, finally, I can sleep at night. Good golly, let's continue. Hey, this guy has a quest for me. I'll need to gather stones and wood. Ugh, okay, let's see. Do I have enough? Of course not. Time to go gather some more then. And I spend more time gathering, just running around, having a good old time, gathering wood. But wait, there's hardly any wood out here. Even though there's a lot of trees, kick some trees, no wood. But wait, look at this thing. I can hide in this tree? I guess people will leave me alone now. This trunks all. Alright, I guess I've spent all my points. Time to rest, give it another day, start up early again, and let's see if we can craft stuff. Finally, I can finally make an axe and a pickaxe. Alright, that earns me some experience too. Now let's go show our buddy who gave us the quest. Oh, he just wanted to see if we could do it? Well, that was awfully nice of him. Wait, now we have to do more? Alright, let's do that and come back. Hey, I passed the test. But wait, there's more. Now I have to get a builder's license. I just have to go over to the mayor and I can get a workshop commission. Sweet, sounds simple enough, why not? Oh hey, you have to enter a workshop name. Well, tell me about putting me on the spot. Talk of the town. Oh no, I can't enter Talk of the town. Okay, let's try maybe without spaces. Well, no, can't confirm there. I gotta get rid of this one last space. Alright, Talk of the town. Yeah, that's my place. Now back to this guy. Hey, you got a good workshop. Sweet. Well, for the rest of the game, he ends up telling me that I have to build a bridge. And what do you know? That bridge requires me to gather stuff. And what do you know? Gathering that stuff requires me to gather more things in order to gather those things. So it looks like I'm going to be spending a lot of my time this next few days building a bridge, or at least gathering the materials to start building a bridge, or attempting to build a bridge. And wait, this guy steals contracts, by the way. He's not the nice fellow of this town. This guy is. He wants me to build a bridge for him. And that's just what I'm going to do. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments or want to see something else, feel free to leave a comment below.